It took me a long time to get this off. This isn't from the FZR project bike, which is in another spot. This is an FZR400, whoops, can't really see it, grey bike. Grey bike meaning it's someone imported it and directly from Japan. You can tell that because all the instructions are in Japanese, apart from the registration. The thing is a Barnfind, yet again. This time destined to be a bit of a track bike, I presume. Not a restore job. And the first thing you got to do is open up the tank. And that, I don't know if that's going to focus, is completely gone. Just as well I have another tank, but also I'm going to fabricate, if it's the track, an aluminium one, or as Americanos say, aluminum. Oh look, it's got a face, like the face on Mars. Can you see that? Got 2 eyes, a nose, mouth open. How about that? That's weird. Anywho, I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. But we shall continue.